this session, we are going to discuss about parameters in XSLT. In order to perform several tasks in XSLT, we are in the need of passing parameters to the template. Whenever we are passing parameters to the template, that will be taken and processed, that value will be utilized for any expression. In XSLT, parameters and variables are used to perform those tasks, because through parameters, through variables, we are able to pass value to a template so that that value can be used in any expression, and we are getting the expression will be evaluated and we are getting the result. The parameters can be declared as a local or global. How to define a parameter? By using XSL:param tag. We are using XSL:param tag for defining the parameter. It has two attributes. One is mandatory, another one is optional attribute. Name is the mandatory attribute. By using this attribute, we are specifying the name of the parameter, and then select attribute available for XSL:param tag. It is used to assign value for the parameter. It is an optional one. Either we can define only parameter, or parameter can be defined along with value. The general syntax for XSL:param is given in the next point. Name is very important, because by using the name only we are able to refer and give the value for that parameter. So XSL:param name equal to qname. This is mandatory, and remaining attributes are optional attributes. Select, as, required, tunnel. These are all the optional parameters. Select is used to give value, as I specified earlier, value for the parameter. That value may be sequence type or independent type, that can be specified here as equal to, and then whether this parameter is very important or mandatory will be specified by yes or no, required attribute. And then tunnel, the tunnel attribute is also yes or no category, whether the tunnel is used for data transfer or not, specified by using this parameter. So last four parameters are optional parameters. If you want, you can make use of it, otherwise you can omit it. Mandatory parameter is name. An example is given here. A template is created in this slide by using XSL:template. Name of the template is circle area. Then only we are able to call this template by using call template, XSL:call template. Another syntax already we have discussed for calling the template. Whenever required, we can define the template, and wherever required, we are able to call the template. Within this template, I am going to declare two parameters, circumference and diameter. XSL:param name equal to circumference, XSL:param name equal to diameter. And then these two parameters used for passing value, I am going to use these values in an expression called circumference into diameter. Circumference into diameter. I am going to multiply circumference with the diameter. How to do that? In order to perform this kind of expression evaluation, or in order to refer the parameter, we are using value of tag. XSL:value of tag is used to refer the parameters. Select equal to circumference, $circumference. That is very important, right? In order to refer the variable, we need to use $symbol before the variable name, I mean parameter name. $circumference into $diameter. Whenever we are using $circumference, then the circumference value is substituted there, and parameter value is substituted in that location and multiplied, and we are getting the result of that multiplication. And then another template. See, this particular line is copied from the previous slide, so you omit this. XSL colon value of select equal to circumference into diameter, that will be utilized in the previous slide. According to this example concern, we are going to define three parameters: border size, width, VG color, by using XSL colon param tag. Name equal to border size, XSL colon param name equal to width of the table, border size that will be utilized in the table, and then background color used in the table. Third parameter specifies the background color. See here, table border equal to within braces $border size. This is another way to refer the parameters. Another way to refer the parameter $border size. That should be given within the open braces and closed braces. And then width equal to table width. Border equal to border size, width equal to width, dollar width, and VG color equal to $VG underscore color. That is the parameter name what we have defined in the previous tag. And then close it template, where we have to use the curly braces. It means the curly braces tells the XSLT processor to replace the reference to variable with the value. Reference to variable with the value. So whenever the compiler sees the braces, automatically the value for the respective variable or respective parameter substituted, and based on the value the border will be decided and width is decided and VG color is decided. Suppose if you want to define a parameter with the default value, as I said previously, by using select attribute we are able to give the default value for the parameter. To refer the parameter, $parameter name can be given, or braces $parameter name. When we need to use $parameter name, if the parameter used in XSLT markup, right? If that parameter is used as a part of XSLT file, then we can make use of $parameter name. Braces $parameter name utilized whenever it is available as a part of attribute in the output. As a part of attribute in the output. See the example given in this slide. See, in XSL value of, we are referring $circumference, $diameter, because those two variables used in the XSLT. So that we are using only $. See, table border equal to, this will be used in the output. Table border equal to border size and width. Right? Table border equal to border size and width, because we are using braces here, because this particular table tag available in the output, it is a part of output, so that we need to use braces and $. And then how to set default value, already I stated that by using selected attribute we are able to give the default value for the parameter. See the example, XSL colon template, name equal to set table size, border size select equal to 2, and parameter name equal to width select equal to 800, width is 800, and color, background color is white. If when the user referring this template, if they are supplying the value for these parameters, then that will be taken. If the user is not giving any value for these parameters, then default value 800 white will be taken for border size, width and VG color. Immediately that will be referred in the table tag, border size, width and VG color, and then close the template. By means of select attribute we are able to refer the parameter. And then how to pass value to the template. Already we have defined with the template, and in which we are having certain parameters. How to pass value to the parameter? By using select tag we are able to do that, default value. And then XSL colon with param. XSL colon with param tag is used to pass parameter values to the template. Parameter value to the template, because in the template we are defining the parameters. Either this XSL with param can be used with the XSL call template. When we are calling this template, we can pass value for this parameter, or when we are applying template, we are able to supply value for the parameter. Anyhow, XSL with param used to pass parameter that is given in the template. To call the template, before that, XSL with param, name equal to parameter name, and then select equal to value. And XSL template name equal to rectangle area, width, height, two parameters defined here with the default value 2080. And then XSL value of select equal to $width and $height, multiplying the width and height. And then call the template XSL call template name equal to rectangle area. Previously we have defined that rectangle area. I am calling that template by using XSL call template tag, and then XSL with param name equal to width select equal to 10. Default value 2080. Supplied value is 1020. Supplied value is 1020. So that we are getting 10 into 20 and 200 will be available as an answer. And next one, so far we are declaring the variable in the local scope. Now we are going to declare the variable in global parameter, right? We are going to declare the parameter in the global scope. Where the local scope is used, in which place global scope is used. If we are declaring a template and parameter, in that location alone you are going to use that parameter, then you can declare that parameter as a local parameter. Suppose you want to use a parameter throughout the XSLT programs, it means more number of XSL programs we are going to use that parameter, then we need to declare that parameter as a global parameter. It is also required in some cases, right? In only one location you are using some parameter and perform some operations, then you can use local parameter. Otherwise, right, a parameter is defined, that parameter will be utilized in several expressions in several XSL file. Then instead of declaring parameter in the local scope, we can declare global parameter. Anywhere we can refer that global parameter. How to define that global parameter? The global parameters are defined within XSL style sheet as a child element. Parameters are defined within XSL style sheet as a child. So XSL style sheet version equal to 1.0 and XSL namespace. Already we have discussed, we have to give the XSL namespace XSL http w3.org/1999 XSL transform, and then output method equal to HTML, XSL output method equal to HTML. Here I am defining three parameter: text color, page BG color, table BG color. Text color used to set the color for text content. Page BG color is used to set the background color of the page, entire page, and table BG color used to set the background color for the specific table. So likewise, you can define any number of global parameters in the XSL style sheet, and the remaining elements of the global parameters can be included. And then the remaining part of the style sheet you can include and close the style sheet. Close the style sheet. How to define global parameter? How to define global parameter? We will see a detailed example in the next session. Before that, I'll give you a complete example here. XML version equal to 1.0, encoding UTF-8, and XSL style sheet header is declared, version equal to 1.0, namespace is given, and then template match equal to, previously I said the remaining part of the XSL style sheet can be included here. The remaining part is explained here. XSL template match equal to root element. Obviously we need to start with the root element and declare the template, and then XSL for each catalog/cd. This will be available for another XML document. XSL for each and every cd details. For each and every CD details, we are going to apply this template, call template name equal to show title. In that, one parameter is passed, XSL colon with param, name equal to title, select equal to value, and then close the call template, close for each. Because for each and every element, CD element, we are calling this template. What is the template? That is also available in the bottom side. XSL template name equal to show title, XSL colon param name equal to title, title colon value of select equal to dollar title, that variable value substituted here, and it is available as a title. And then close the template, close the style sheet. So when we are executing this, we are getting parameter value, and then that will be applied, and will be getting the complete CD details for each and every CD details available in the catalog. After this, in the next session, we'll be seeing complete example for global parameters. We'll see the example now. In this example, first we will write the XML document. XML colon. First we will define the version of XML version equal to 1.0. Most of the program we are using the same version. And then inventory. In the inventory, we are going to store item, and each item having item type, description, stock in hand, sub items are available. Item tracking number equal to 1, 2, 3. Manufacturer equal to Toshiba. So within this, item type floppy disk drive. Item type is floppy disk drive / item type. And then, as I said previously, description. The description standard floppy disk. And then close the description. Next one, stock in hand. Or stock. Here you can declare number of attributes. In stock equal to 750. Orders for how many quantity we are going to order? 200. Net units 550, right? Orders for 200. Net units equal to 550, and then order equal to order equal to no. Already it is this particular item having enough stock, so that no need to order again. No need to order again. And then close the item. Close the item. Similarly, you can define another item. You can define another item. Now the tracking number is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I am using. Manufacturer not listed. Not listed. And then item type same, floppy disk. It is procured from another manufacturer. They are not in the list. I'll be changing only units. 50 in hand. Orders for 200. So when you subtract it, minus 150. Minus 150. Minus 150. So we are in shortage of stock, so that order needs to be done. Order needs to be done. Okay. By this way, you can include any number of item in the XML document. Any number of item in the XML document, and you can close the inventory. Close the inventory. After declaring the XML document, we need to declare now XSLT document where we need to include the parameters. For that XSLT file. The XSLT file, as usual, first we need to define the XSL style sheet. XSL style sheet, XML namespace NS, XSL equal to the reference for this http://www.w3.org and then the years, which specification you are using, that year, and then XSL subfolder, and then transform. And then version equal to, this should be included in double quote. Version equal to 1.0. Version equal to 1.0. And then XSL output. XSL : output method equal to, I am going to transform this XML document into HTML document, so that the output I need in this form. And then parameter definition, XSL : param, and then name. What is the parameter name? Equal to text color. Text color. That is the first parameter. Similarly, define other three parameters. The parameter name is, second parameter name is page background color. And then table background color. Right? Table background color. Next parameter. table BG color. Right? These three parameters I am going to use in my program, and then next we need to define the template within the XSLT file. XSL:template. As usual, we need to start from root. Match equal to slash root element we need to start, and then HTML body BG color. I am going to use the parameter. So when we are referring the parameter, what should be done? Equal to, within braces, dollar parameter name, dollar text color, right? Not text color, BG color. I mean page BG color, because entire page we are going to set this BG color, so that I am referring this parameter. Text color, this is background color. Text equal to, I am referring the text color. Text color parameter. Text color, close the braces and close the double quote and close the tag. And then I am declaring a table, again BG color equal to my own parameter value, dollar table BG color, and then close the tag. And then as usual, remaining rows and columns we need to specify th. Before that, first declare the row tr, and then th table heading, invoice number, inventory number, Similarly, the other fields what you require in the output, you can give all those things. Invoice number, item, manufacturer, item, and next one, manufacturer, current, orders, remaining, see whatever information, it is not compulsorily need to include all information. Whatever information you require in your output, you can use order, remaining, So all table heading is over, and then close the table row. And then now for each and every row we are going to print the value. Before printing the value, we need to specify what are the elements need to be displayed in the table cell, and then that should be defined here. XSL : for each, this is also already we have discussed. We are going to process element by element from the XML file. Select equal to inventory / item. We are going to use for each, and then table row, because each and every element stored in the row wise. So that again table row, and then table definition td, XSL : value of, select equal to first tracking number. Tracking number, that is INV number. Getting is INV number. Actually here we are printing the tracking number. Close the XSL and close the TD. And then item type. This is an attribute, so that I have included a tracking number with the @ symbol. Next one, item type element, so that I am not including @ symbol. And then manufacturer. Manufacturer is an attribute, so that I am using @ symbol. And then next one, current. One more table heading I have missed out, that I can include here. Current, I mean what is the stock currently available, current stock. In order to print the current stock, see, obviously the stock is, I mean in stock attribute is available in stock element / in stock. So this is an attribute, so that I have written like this. Similarly, the order for net units. Similarly, the order for net unit, everything available here. Select equal to stock / order for. One second, orders for or order for. I mean XML document orders for. Attribute is orders for, so that orders underscore for. And then net unit. Stock at net units. Net underscore units. I am printing this and close the table row. Close the table row and close the for each statement. For each statement, close the for each statement. Close the table. Close the table and close the body tag and HTML. And then finally template. Finally template. Finally close the template. And then I mean XSL colon template. XSL colon. And then close the style sheet. XSL / XSL colon style sheet. XSL colon style sheet. So close the XSLT. And then if it is a global parameter, then we can define the global parameter by method 1. In method 1, directly we can give within the XSLT file, directly we can define the parameter value, param name equal to what we have given, text color. Text color given there, first parameter, right? Immediately I will define the value for this. Immediately I define XSL colon text. XSL colon text. Here I can give black. Here I can give black, and then close the tag. Close the tag. Black defined. XSL text, and then XSL param. XSL colon parameter. Param. So this is first parameter, right? This is first parameter. Similarly, I am going to give value for all three parameters using the page BG color. Next one table BG color, and color for background color white. I'm giving white, blue. Table background color blue. So in this way we can give value for the parameter in method 1, and in method 2 we can define as a separate model XSL colon param, and then name equal to text color. Name equal to text color. Select equal to. By using select attribute, we can give value for the parameter black. Page BG color. That is white. And table BG color, page BG color, table BG color. Here blue. See, you can define the parameter values. You can define the parameter values using second model. And then we have to specify, XML document specify first, and then XSLT we have defined, and third one parameter value is also supplied. After that, how the output looks like, that we are going to see. After the transformation, output document would look similar like this: HTML, body, BG color equal to, values are directly substituted here. BG color, body BG color, white. No, background color black. Text color white. Or text color black, right? So we can give background color white. Text color, text equal to, see, this is based on the user choice. Black, text color black. And then similarly, table BG color equal to blue. And then table row, INV number getting printed, and data is also gets printed, and so on. What is the data available? 1, 2, 3, invoice number. Floppy disk is the first attribute, right? Floppy disk printed in the next column. Item type, and then manufacturer Toshiba, that is printed third column, and in fourth column stock in hand 750, orders for 200, net units 550. This one will be printed. First item is over. In the next row, second item gets printed 4, 5, 6. Manufacturer not listed. Item type is floppy disk. Description I am not printing, so that will not get printed. And in stock current is 50, orders for 200, net unit is minus 150. So that obviously if you are seeing negative, then we are going for ordering the particular item. So you can execute this example and you will be getting this output. The values are substituted here along with the heading and table format, everything displayed. When you are executing this HTML file separately, automatically you will be getting the table background color white and black text color, and then table color blue, where we can find in our XML document we are defining 2 rows, I think. Yes, 2 items we are having, so the 2 rows gets printed. That result you will be getting. The equivalent HTML file, when we are transforming the content XML document, we are getting this particular HTML document. And then when you are executing this HTML document, you will be getting the result. Thanks for listening. Thank you.